Hello guys, welcome back. So far we have learned a lot about HTML, from headings to paragraphs to self-closing tags to lists to images to links to tables to forms. Now in this lesson we're going to put all that we've learned so far and we're going to create an HTML website. So let's get straight into it. Here on my desktop, I have a folder named HTML project, or I think I should just name it the name of our website. Let's just name it um, Teen Dog. That's going to be the name of our website. All right. So I'm going to open it with VS Code, and you can see. All right, this is the folder. So in this project, what I have here are just images. Okay, I have images of dogs, so I named them dog 1, dog 2, dog 3, dog 4. If you click on a particular image, you're going to see, so this is what you get. Okay, so we're going to be using these images on our website. Okay, so yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. You can download your own images from pexels.com. Right, that's the website I use to download these images. Pexels. Okay, no, not Pexels. Hold on. Pexels. Yeah, so this was where I downloaded those images from. If you just put dogs and you search, you're going to see different images of dogs, and you can just come, if you click on an individual, you can see there's an icon here to download. So that's where I got those images from. Okay, so yeah, and I renamed them, so it's going to be easy for me to use on my website. So I renamed them. So let's start our project. So I'm going to create a folder here now, because this website is going to have different pages, unlike the ones we've been doing before where all we have is just index.html. Now I want to create a proper website, so I'm going to name this folder pages. Okay, so in these pages we're going to have all our HTML files. So the first file I want to have is the home.html. okay, which is going to be like the starting point of our website. Okay, so I put in my boilerplate code here, and what I'm just going to put here is the title of my web page, Teen Dog, and I can just put here find true love. Okay, um yeah, find true love. All right, so yeah, I want to have h1 here, and I could put welcome to Teen Dog. Welcome to Teen Dog, and I have a heading there, so I'm going to have a paragraph here now. And then in this paragraph I can say, are you looking for a soulmate for your dog? Right, if yes, then you are in the right place. Okay, and I'm going to have a line break. First, let's even save it and see what we get on our web page. So just go live, and there we go. This is what we have here. All right, so before I even put this paragraph here, I want to even have some links. Okay, let's put in some links here. When we want to create links, we use the anchor tag or the link tag. You just type a and enter. There you go, you have a href there, and in your href you're going to put, so first, before we even go there, let's name our link. So we're going to have, we have the home page, so we're going to have about us. We're going to have um, services. Okay, and then finally we're going to have um, all shift down. Okay, then we're going to have contact us. Okay, we save this now. There you go, you can see our links here. All right, these are our links, but currently we have not attached any page to it because the href doesn't have any value. This is the href attribute, but there is no value. The value is empty, right? The href is the link to where we are going to. So in our pages here, we're just going to create some files. I'm going to have about.html. Inside here I can just put my boilerplate code, and I can put about us as the title, and then I can have h1 here and type about us. Okay, save this, create another file. We're going to call this one services.html, and enter. Put my boilerplate code, and here I want to have our services. No, let's just put services. Okay, and then here you can have h1, and then you can put our services here. Okay, and finally we're going to have contact.html. okay, we have our boilerplate code, and here we can put contact us, and here we can have a h1, and we can say what do we put here? Okay, for now let's just put contact us page. All right, and we save this. So in our home.html now, we can now attach these other pages to these link tags. So what we want to do here now is we want to get about.html, want to link it to this href tag. So what we do is we use directory. So to get that directory, we just put full stop and then put slash. Okay, so now we're able to get all the files in this particular directory. What I mean by directory is that folder. Okay, we just put dot slash and you get all the files in that directory. If you want to go outside of that directory, use double we're going to put two double periods, that is dot dot, and then you put slash, and you can see you have come out of the pages directory. So now you can see the images directory. So this is the root directory of this particular project. So but we just want to get about.html. Here we're going to have dot slash, we're going to have contact.html, and here we can have dot slash, and then we can have sorry, there's a mix up here. So here should be for services. Okay, .html, and here should be for contact.html. So if we save this and we come to here, if we click on about us, you can see we are on about us page. If we go back, click on services, you can see our services. Go back and click on contact us, you can see contact us page. So we're going to come back to all this later. For now, let's go on with our home page. So under this paragraph, I want to have an image there, but before that image, let me put I prefer this, instead of having this paragraph here, let it be an h2 an h2 tag. So then I can have I'm going to put in some line breaks, 2 line breaks for space. Then we can have our image in here. Okay, so once you type img, it brings it out for you, and then you can just put your so in this alternative attribute here, I'm going to put the name. So this is image, you can put image of a dog there. So just in case your image doesn't show up on the web page, or it shows up late, what the user will see there is image of dog. So that tells the user that an image was supposed to pop up here. So in this source attribute, what I want to do is first write the name of the folder where my images are. So I can just do images and then I put slash. Okay, so I need to first of all leave this directory, so I have to put dot slash, and it's even going to be double dots and then slash. I can get images, and so once I get images, then I can get dog1.jpg. okay, so it has to be dot slash because we're going out of pages to see the images folder. All right, so I have image dog1.jpg. Save this, come to our web page. This is what we get. You can see the picture is very large, our page is scrolling. We don't want this, so what we can do is give that image tag an attribute. Okay, so this image tag takes an attribute of width. All right, so in that width we can put 100%. Now the reason why we're putting 100% there is because we don't want it to extend beyond our screen, the width of our screen. So once you save this and you come here, you notice that it has now taken the width of our screen, which is 100%. Okay, yeah. So what else? So you can see there's some spacing here. It's because of the line breaks that we put there. If we comment this line breaks out, this is what you get. Okay, this is what you get. So if you want to leave it like this, it's fine. Okay, I think it's even okay this way, so there's no need for the line breaks. So let's just take out the line breaks. And okay, so we have a heading with our links, and then we have a h2 here, and then we have this. And so let's go on. So we're gonna have a h2 here, and but before that h2, I think we should put some line breaks here. br, and then here we're going to have, in this h2, we're going to put meet. Okay, let's see our current potential. What do I put here now? Let's say meet potential mates for your dog pet. Okay, and then what we want to have here now is, let me save it so that it will get formatted properly, and then we can have, let's create an ordered list, OL. So inside this ordered list we want to have an li where we can put meet Jack, and under that li we can have an image img, and then we can put dot slash because we want to get images folder, and then we can put dog2 there, and here you can just put image of dog. Okay, so yeah, and then under this we can put p there, a paragraph, and then we can just generate some random words like lorem 30. Okay, when you save it, it's going to get formatted. That's if you have the prettier code formatter in your VS Code. I showed you guys how to configure that. So let's see what this looks like on our web page. Okay, so what we have now is, so we have, you can see here, this is the h2 meet potential mates for your dog pet, and then we have our ordered list meet Jack, and then our picture here too is having the same issue we had before. So this picture, like I said, can also take a width attribute of 50% this time, because I want it to be like, should take like half of the width of our screen. So this is what we get. Okay, this is what we get. And also for our paragraph, so we can also put in a width property of, so for the paragraph now, what we'll do is we're going to use the inline CSS. So this, we're going to put style there. Once you put the style attribute, inside the style attribute you can then put in your inline CSS, I know I've not taught you guys CSS yet, but this is can be like a little introduction to it. So in here now we can just put in width, the width property, and then we can just put 50 pixels, or rather percent. Okay, once you save this, you come here, there you go. So you see that the letters have taken 50 50%. That is like half of the width of our screen. So yeah, it's quite different from this. This is CSS here, but this one is just like an attribute that image tag generally comes with. Okay, so what we can do now is I think we should generate more words instead of having just, let me say, lorem 50. Okay, save this. Okay, so we have more words here. So what I'll do now is I'm just going to copy from the paragraph up to the list, and then we're just going to alt shift down, alt shift down. There we go. And then we have, so what we can do here now is, so we have a list, an image, and a paragraph. That is the first potential mate for our dog pet. So under this paragraph, I'm going to put BR. I'm going to have 2 line breaks there. Okay, and then I'm going to come here again. Sorry, I'm going to come here again, and then under this paragraph, I'm going to put 2 line breaks there again, BR, and then I'm going to copy it. Save this. When you come to our web page, this is what we get. Alright, so it's like we're having a list of potential mates for our dog. And now what we just need to do is just change the images. Alright, so I named those images, so we have dog 2, dog 3, dog 4. So I have dog 2 here, so I can just put dog 3 there, and I can put dog 4 here, and we save this, and there we go. So you can see this is our website, Teen Dog. We have welcome to Teen Dog. We have our links here. We have a H2 saying, are you looking for a soulmate for your dog? Instead of Tinder, we have Teen Dog. So this is like where you can get mates for your dogs. Are you looking for a soulmate for your dog? If yes, then you're in the right place. Then we have like a banner, right? And here we have potential mates for your dog. Meet Jack. Meet. So you can change the name to Meet Sparrow. Meet Jennifer. Sorry if your name is Jennifer. Okay, there we go. There we go. So yeah. So this is our home page. So in the next video, or in the next lesson, which is a continuation of this lesson, we're going to continue the build for this our final project. All right, so see you guys in the next lesson.